Hello, good day, viewers, and welcome to my channel at Code with Addo. In this channel, all we do is coding tutorial and coding training, and not just coding because everybody might not necessarily be in for coding and programming. We also take some step further in bringing other courses along with it, such as UI, UIX designer, such as digital marketing, every other course such as video editing, the use of AI, how to use AI, and the courses and opportunities in the world of AI. Even though for my own student personally in coding, I as much as possible, except only where necessary, like for automation and other stuff, I actually discourage the use of AI for my coding students, right? Because we don't want to rely on AI on every simple thing, write a simple function, hello world, you need to run to the AI. No, but of course, there are wonderful places that AI have come to help, right? And many people will say, with the advent of AI, unemployment has become so much. Yes, it is true. It is true. There are different sectors, even in the IT world, but the truth is, with AI, opportunities have also abound more, even in the sector of coding, programming, and other digital courses. Yes, because now AI has like come to separate those that really know what they are doing, those with the quality, those with the standard, from those that just put things together that really make no meaning. And that is why what we do in Code with Addo, we don't only teach coding, but we try as much as possible to ensure and help you go through the basic standard, through the basic international standard, and from time to time we also bring other opportunities such as job opportunities and even remote job opportunities will bring your way and will help you prepare and put you through the step, take you by the hand step by step on the basic things you need to get started, to get your root footed, to get your roots solid and grounded in all you need to achieve and be successful, right? Remember, Alvin Toffler, the American writer, once said this. He said, the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those that cannot read and write, but those that cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. We are now in the era whereby it's no longer business as usual. Yes, now in most continents, our educational curriculum, especially in Africa, needs to be reviewed. Yes, because all we do over the years, the same repetition of the same curriculum, even down to our higher institution. But what we are trying to say is that there are wonderful courses out there that if you can challenge yourself and step aside and want to dare and tap into these things, it's not overnight. It requires work. Everything requires work. It's not a magic. Your passion is there. Your time will be given. Your dedication will be given. But what we do is that we ensure to make the pathway easier by leveraging on our own years of experience, having learned some things in the wrong way, made some mistake. All these things we put together that, okay, if we've made this, let's make it easier for you. And that is why we are here at Code with Addo. Do well to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and keep your notification bell on to always be in touch with us whenever we drop new updates. And you may want to check within our description and join our Discord community to always be in touch with our day-to-day activities happening there. Once again, my name is Addo, and welcome to Code with Addo. Stay with us. There are a lot of things for you to benefit. Even if you don't want to be a programmer, you don't want to be a software developer, there are other things around, digital courses that will help you. If it's just for your own self-use, to improve your brand, to use to add taste and value to your brand, or you want to even make extra income using it, converting it into money. Like I said, we bring opportunities along your way. Or maybe you're actually looking for like another source of income to work either remotely or what have you. There are a lot of possibility. I'm personally a partaker of this, and I have tens of students who are also partakers of this. Coding is just like driving. There is nothing to exaggerate. There is nothing like to put. Once you have your passion, it's just like driving. If you can drive a car, you can drive a car. Yes, but experience come over the years. But at least the basic driving, move from a point to a point, move from one point to another point safely with the required standard. That is what we are here to do. We're here to guide you, not just to guide you, but guide you through the right standard, guide you through the right channel. If you have questions, we're here to answer your question at any time. You can always drop your questions in the comment section, or you can always reach out to me one-on-one at codewithaddo@gmail.com. It will always be my delight, and with my other team, as I'm in partnership, and over time we'll also be going into partnership with other wonderful developers and IT gurus around the world. And from time to time, I shall be bringing them on this channel, and we shall be having different wonderful stuff ahead of you. We are here for you. Code with Ado. Thank you and God bless you.